Hi everybody, JoPaddy here. And today's just a quick little show and tell because I'm getting ready for work and I want to take these coasters with me to work because I said in another video, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I sell these for $5 a piece up at the food cart. And I just wanted to show you the ones that I made when Doris was here because that was like almost 2 weeks ago and I haven't had a chance to show you guys yet. I'm hoping to sell some of these today. And I know it's like, they're worth more than $5, but I try to be kind to everybody. Nobody has any money, and I really enjoy making them, so I'm not taking a loss. I'm just kind of breaking even, but I'm enjoying the process, right? Okay, first of all, well, this thing here was just an old pour that I make, and I'm putting elephants on here. But, and here, this was a pillowcase. It's really cool. I've been making a couple pillowcases that are like beachy. So I use that with dye. Just regular, some acrylic inks. So let me know if you guys are interested on how I made this. Maybe I'll do a video on it. Okay. Now, here's the coasters I made when Doris was here. Let's see if I can put something down. Susie's barking at the construction workers. We got lots of them. Also, another little trick I was going to show you, like these sponges that you can get, like at Walmart, whatever, in the makeup section, and over there by shampoo and stuff. You can use that to make a moon. See how those little markings? You can dip it in ink or like acrylic with water on it. Then dab it first on like a paper towel or whatever, so you don't have globs all over. And then you put it on your painting like that, and then push like that, and then when you pick it up, you have a perfect circular moon because it's dirty now, but when it's wet, it's fine. Okay, here's the coasters I made when Doris was here. This one's so cool. This one had the little beads in it. Turned out really cool. And this one, I love this one. It's got that little see-through in the end there on the tip. So swirly and sparkly. This one too, it's got the beads in it. Doris's beads. I forget what kind of beads she called those. I don't remember, but she knows beads. she does hair ribbons too, so that's how she knows beads so well. But anyway, that's pretty. And then this one here was just leftover, so I added glitter to it. So, I don't know, I can actually put a little stencil or something on there. Don't be afraid to use stencils, guys. Everybody does. You don't have to go to school to become an artist or say you're an artist. It's a natural thing. Just because I have a degree in it doesn't make me know it all, you know. I'm still learning every day, and I went to school for it because I loved it so much, and I actually got my degree in interior design. So, you guys are artists. The moment you pick up that brush and you try to sell your piece and you enjoy the process so much, you know, that's what makes you an artist. And always digging and diving deep and coming up with new ideas and fun things to do. Okay, this is the last one. And I don't really think about this one too much. I don't know. But, you know, I do like it. Anyway, that copper didn't pull through as much as I wanted it to. All right, everybody, off to work. Arrivederci, everyone. See you again soon. Back in my studio. Bye.